Welcome to this product walkthrough. We are going to take a look at how Customer Service Suite works. If you are taking orders over the phone and using Magento to create the order, then this module is a must-have. It enables you to provide better customer service, and helps drive up the average order value of telephone orders. It also lets you track sales performance of telephone orders much better. The module is available from Magento 2, and can be purchased from www.ontapgroup.com/store. Installing the module is straightforward. We support manual installation by unpacking the zip file you receive when you purchase it, and then uploading this to your server. We also have a Composer repository that allows installation with a single command, and this also allows updates to be installed just as simply. Our wiki provides full installation information. You can visit this at wiki.ontapgroup.com. So, onto the product itself. Most of Customer Service Suite's functionality is in the admin panel. It only touches the front end in a small way. So we are going to log into the admin panel to take a look at the features there. Access to the functionality is protected by Magento's native roles and permissions. Each part can be protected so your users have as much or as little access to it as you want. Magento's native order-taking functionality is used in Customer Service Suite. So, if we go to Sales, Orders, we'll see the option to create new order. You'll also notice the Retrieve Parked Order button. We'll get onto that later. Next, if we click on Create New Order, we'll see a list of our customers. We simply pick the customer we wish to place an order for, or we can create the order for a new customer if we want. If we click on Add Products, we'll be able to see our product catalog, and we can start to add products to this order. Once we've done that, we will start to see some functionality added by Customer Service Suite. Firstly, each of the product names in the items ordered section are now hyperlinks. Clicking on these hyperlinks loads a preview panel showing the product's description and images. This can save time because it means that your sales agents do not have to visit the front end of the website or any other system to offer product information to the customer. In addition to the product preview panels, you will also see an upsells and cross-sells section that we have added. This enables your sales agents to quickly see the products related to those already selected for the order, and so gives you the opportunity of increasing the order value. Adding them is as simple as selecting the checkboxes, and adjusting the quantities, then clicking on the Add Selected Products to Order button. Now it is sometimes the case that an order being taken on the phone cannot be finished for some reason, and the customer has to call back or you have to call them back. In native Magento functionality, the order you've worked hard on so far would be lost. However, with Customer Service Suite, you can park an order, thus enabling you to complete it at a later date. You'll notice the Park Order button at the top of the page. When this is clicked, the current order's products, together with the billing and shipping address, are saved to the database. You'll see the message you have parked the order. To retrieve this order in the future, we simply go to Sales, Orders, and click on the Retrieve Parked Order button. We'll now see a grid of all the parked orders currently in the system. This grid can be sorted and filtered just like any other Magento grid, so it makes finding the parked orders really simple. Here, we can see the order that we just parked. If we click on this, the result will be that the order is retrieved for us in the state it was previously parked. Therefore, we can now continue with the order, making any final changes, and obtaining payment details from the customer. So we'll go ahead now and complete this order. Okay, we are now looking at the order confirmation page. At this point, it is worth pointing out some other new functionality that Customer Service Suite adds. Firstly, we can see an order created by row which contains the admin user's name. This makes it really easy in the future to see which sales agent took the order. If we go to Sales, Orders, we can also see that there is a Created By column now. For each order taken in the admin panel, we can see the name of the person who took it. Because this grid can be filtered, it makes it very simple to find orders taken by specific sales agents. Now, one of the other features of Customer Service Suite is that this order also optionally gets integrated to your Google Analytics account. Normally, only orders placed at your website's front end ever show up in GA. However, if we go to Stores, Configuration, then navigate to OnTap, Customer Service Suite, we'll see the option Enable Google Analytics for Moto tracking. If this is set to yes, and you have GA set up for the website, then we'll be able to see this order in our GA data. This enables you to get a complete picture of all sales for any given website. You'll also see here settings that enable old parked orders to be automatically removed from the database after a number of days. This prevents the database from filling up with parked orders that are old and not likely to ever be retrieved. Customer Service Suite also can be used to help your sales agents offer customers promotional pricing on an ad hoc basis. Normally, this is only possible for admin panel orders. Let's take a look at how this works. First, we are going to assume that a customer has just called us with a product pricing question. Basically, they've seen the product on our site, but it is slightly more expensive than on a competitor's site. They are wondering if we are prepared to match the price in order to secure the sale. Of course we are. So, with the customer on the phone, we'll first ask what their name is. They need to be logged in at the front end, and once they are, we will go to Customers, All Customers, and find them in our database. From here we click on Create Order. Now, if the customer already has the product in their cart, we can see that from the left column. We can move this item into our order with a few clicks. If the customer does not already have the product in their cart, we can add it to the order manually. At this point, we can click on the Custom Price checkbox to set a bespoke price for this product. Normally, Magento's native functionality will only honor this price if the order is placed in the admin panel. However, the customer might not want to do that, and might want to complete the order themselves at the front end. This is where Customer Service Suite comes in. Once we have updated the order with the custom price set, which we can do with the Update Items and Quantities button, we can now move this product back into the customer cart. We do this by selecting the Move to Shopping Cart option from the Action drop-down, and then clicking Update Items and Quantities button again. We can now see the product in the left column, which are custom price set. Importantly, the customer will now see this product in their cart, and it will be at this price. So they can check out as normal in their own time. Customer Service Suite enables you to provide better customer service, and helps drive up the average order value of telephone orders. It also lets you track sales performance of telephone orders much better. The module is compatible with Magento versions 2.1 and 2.2, and works with the open source, enterprise and cloud editions. You can purchase it from www.ontapgroup.com/store. Thank you for watching.